channel. Today we're out here. I got a handful of your guys' orders from the giveaway. I'm dropping off now. Katie's at home wrapping up the rest. I want to say thank you all for participating in this giveaway. Once we get all the orders shipped out, give me about a week or so. We'll get all the stuff, you know, in line, get all of you guys your entries, and we'll arrive at a winner within like a week or so here. So stay tuned for that, and we'll get you your lift kit shipped out. Next giveaway, I'm gonna have to put it on pause. It's gonna be a great one, trust me. But I can't even get my fabric anymore. It's not even me getting things printed. I can't even get the fabric. I can't even get the hats. I just can't. Supply is being impacted by this, and certain parts of the country and other countries, people just aren't working. So it's just like I can't even get my fabric. So stay tuned. The next giveaway will be awesome, trust me. I know a lot of you, if you already have a lift kit, this next one will definitely benefit you. Trust me, it's gonna be fun. Yeah, just bear with me on that. I apologize for like the delay, but I literally just can't even get material anymore. Thank you guys for your support on this giveaway. It does mean the world. I was literally thinking about this and like my brand. Like, I started it with 33 hoodies. Honestly, 33 hoodies is how I started. It was my first order, and I was so excited. And now we are where we are today, just in even 3 months. It's incredible. I want to say thank you guys for your support. I thought it was warmer. You know, it was sunny out, and I honestly thought it was warmer. I'm gonna sit here and try and put the tailgate and the hood back on this real quick. Tail lights and our third brake light, LED, black, all the, you know, will be here Friday or Saturday. Hood will be on. We'll do some final paint touch-ups and such. And this truck should be pretty good. Good at a level. Well, obviously it's drivable. As soon as I lift it, won't exactly be too drivable because it's going to need an alignment. So put it back together, get the paint done, get the bed liner in, wait a little bit till I have my tires and stuff on order. Still up in the air, guys. The Nitto 420s would fit the look, but also I wouldn't mind like actually taking this thing somewhat mudding, you know? I don't know. Please give me your best advice. The color screams street truck, but the truck screams off-road me. So somebody please give me your advice. 20 by 12, something wide, Nitto 420s. I feel like we'd have a good time, honestly. I would. But in the meantime, a lot of you guys keep asking me about this. I want to get that stuff put back on the truck here in a little, but a lot of you guys ask me about this back here. This is my 2003 or 4, I forget, Kawasaki KFX 400. A long time ago, last summer, I bought this. A lot of you guys actually are new to the channel and don't know this, but I have this. Yes, it matches the car and the truck. I'm gonna turn the fuel on for the first time. Didn't put any stable in the tank. It'll start anyway. I already know. Barely. Good thing I brought more than the 10mm down, because we would have been SOL. I guess we're still SOL because that's not a 12. Take a little baby battery. Okay, you don't like that. Just the smell of like an old work truck and one black ice can't be matched. Start her up. Oh yeah, she's roaring too. If my calculations are correct, this battery should not take that long. I'll give it about 5 minutes. Okay, I pushed it all the way around the house, up the hill, on my ass twice. I'm so out of shape. Wow. Pull the clutch. exhaust kit, this White Brothers one off. It sounds great, but like even just around here, like if we're gonna ride, honestly, like around here, woods and places we're not supposed to ride. So having a loud exhaust really doesn't do me much good. I don't know why the check engine light's on. It's still there, I know that. Love this truck. Almost feel like that parking brake might be dragging, I don't know. I love this truck. It's just fun to like not worry about much. Love it. So I'm over here trying to figure out why on earth this tailgate has this giant gap over here. And what I've come to notice is this in here, our mounting points. This one literally says right, and this one says left. The ones that were on the truck. I know someone replaced them before the truck was sold to me, but they're on backwards. Well, guys, look at that. We have a tailgate. Can't wait to get the spoiler back on. I need to find the thread pitch of these bolts, but I want that spoiler on because I absolutely love it. Love how it looks. Other than that, got to sand buff, polish the tailgate. There's more imperfections in the tailgate, I think, than anything else on this truck, so bear with me on that. I'm just going to be honest. The tailgate doesn't look 100%. It does look not bad. Okay, so I was just test fitting this Banks exhaust tip here. Honestly, I may go downstairs right now and powder this gloss black, because why not? Listen, ready? It does give you just a hair deeper tone. Just a hair. It does not, I wouldn't say it makes it louder. Just makes that tone a little deeper, because you're like giving yourself a cone function. But look at that. So we have our ink black loaded in here from the other day, and we have our exhaust tip all set up. Honestly, gonna coat it, throw her in the oven, and she'll be gloss black when we're done. So let's knock this out real quick. And about 20 minutes later, we got ourselves a gloss black tip. Honestly, if I stripped, and well, it's kind of covered in fingerprints now. If I stripped the original like powder off of it, the satin matte-ish, it would look incredible, but honestly I wasn't going to do that. Just for the sake of the situation, you can see how shiny that is. It's got some peel in it, but we are okay considering it's probably going to get hit with a bunch of rocks in 2 days and chip off anyway. This adds a little bit of shine down here, and it's probably going to match our wheels. Just adding a little shine at the bottom, so that looks a lot better. And as you can see, something else we did real quick, I threw the hood on, just 6 bolts. Needs a little bit of wet sanding here to get some of these clear runs off. So I'm going to use our JB Weld plastic bonder here to get our grill back together. Only situation kind of problem is I'd benefit so much from having a clamp you guys don't even know. So I may do this the right way, not do this today. You know, go get a clamp from Home Depot, clamp this down here, clamp this. As you can see, that needs to be there. This same thing here, clamp, 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 clamp that, get those in here. Same concept. Let me get the headlights for you guys. Honestly, ordered these from, I think it was eBay a long time ago. But let me just throw one in real quick and see what we got going on. So when I bought them, I didn't think that there would be this giant like OLED strip here, but I guess, I don't know, I just guess that's what we're dealing with. So our running light works here, but up top, as you guys can see, it comes with these 2 wires. Because it's such like a low powered LED, I honestly think I'm just gonna take these and tap it into the lower almost assembly, and we should be good. I also really need to get a better light bulb for this upper. I'm gonna try and get a 5000K bulb for like there. I want to get one for there and there. I want everything to be like 5000K LED to match this. And then obviously when we get our mirrors running, this strip here will match our headlight running light as well. So that'll be super sweet. But this honestly makes our front end look so much better. I honestly can't wait to get our grill on and our bumper, bring this, tie it all together. And I need to get those mirrors wired like real soon because I want to see all of these lights on at once. Even from the side, she's coming along looking a lot better, guys. Really happy with how this is turning out. It's crazy what we started with and where we're at. So if you guys are getting excited, shoot this video a thumbs up. If you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe. Take care. I will see you guys in the next video as we finish, well, get closer and closer to finishing our project Silverado back here. Wow, let me get these headlights in the shot for you guys. Stay tuned, guys. We'll be finishing this up in the next couple videos. Get excited for what's also to come beyond this project. Like I said, we got Hellcat stuff, more stuff for the Ram. I do want to do like the Cat fuel bowl delete. I need to wire the horns. We got the compound turbos coming. What else? We just got so much also to do on our SEMA truck still. I really want to do 42s at some point. I want to re-gear it. I got a lot of stuff to do. I should probably line up the re-gearing soon, but it's hard to get it re-geared with this whole like thing going on. So gonna figure it out here in the next couple days, get everything set up. Wow, this truck does look good from this angle. My lord, look at that. If you guys haven't been here before, please go down and click subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, shoot a thumbs up. Take care. I will see you guys in the next video. We're going to be finishing up our Silverado, and hopefully soon, next couple days, we'll be doing our Hellcat exhaust, and hopefully our wheels will be here soon for that too, and we can get these wide boys mounted. Like I said, lots of stuff coming for all three vehicles, possibly a fourth. I will see you guys next time.